Hello, in this video we'll cover how to upload data for visualization in Mode. Mode is meant to be used as a visualization tool for midpoints generated in PMart and iPMart. Midpoints are normalized and can include statistics results. For more information on midpoints, please see our map video tutorials. Mode can also be used to visualize expression data only. See the bonus video Expression Data for an example demonstrating this. To demonstrate Mode functionality, we will use midpoints with statistics results. Please see the PMart and iPMart video series for a guided tutorial through both applications. Here we will demonstrate exporting our midpoints just after statistics in both applications. For PMart, click Save and Export Progress. For iPMart, click Save and Export Progress as well. Both can be found in the top right corner of the respective applications. Now that we have exported our midpoints, we can verify they are in the Map portal under the Manage Files tab. Next, we can move on to Mode by navigating to the Map Store and clicking Mode and selecting our midpoint. When we upload a midpoint generated from PMart, it will automatically populate data tabs up to the Make Plot tab. When we use a midpoint from iPMart, the Upload File tab and Make Plot tabs will be extended. We can select the omic type we wish to visualize, then proceed to customize our plot.